Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Today we have a big news. As we know, this is the Innovation Month in UAE, and there is many events around the country. And one of the best is, are you ready to know who they are? They are a group of public relations students from UAE University, and they create an event named Innovation Railroad. And their events start from 4th of February and end in 7th of February. In their events, they invite a group of innovator people who they have innovation in different fields. If you're interested to know more about them, stay with us. Don't go away. Welcome back. As we say before the break, we will talk about the best event during the Innovation Month. It is Innovation Railroad event. In their day one, they invited two innovators company, Allianz and Civil Defense, and their visitors was from UAE University and outside the university. They are from Asaria and Mrajab Secondary Female School. The 5th of February was day 2. They invited ATS Team Innovation from UAE University, and a group of girls present a map that shows all crimes in UAE. Also, the last innovation in that day was Faza Report, inventors by a group of girls from IT College. Kulthum High School female student was their visitors in day 2. Ahmed bin Zayed Primary School female and male was their visitors in day 3, 6th of February. And their inventors Nagmasha and Hamda, who was invent a device to solve the problem of the fog in the street. And Mishal Marzuki, who invent UAV for the medical sector. And the last innovation was electrical receiver street app by Dr. Hakim Saibi. 7th of February. It was the last day for the event. They start the day by inventors group from UAE University, female student, that they create a beneficial bacteria project. Then, the youngest inventors in UAE, Fatma Al-Kabi, she present her project. It is a smart joystick. Also, Emirates Transportation participate in that day, and their invention was an application in order to meet the demands the owners of compound subject damage sudden road. And if we talk about the visitors, they was from inside the university and outside students from female and male. Finally, we arrived to the most interesting part, when Dr. Dalal Shamsi asked the Innovation Railroad group to represent their campaign on Saturday for a group of university. The group of that university students, they was from outside the country, such as Oman and Kuwait. And that is a really great chance to show up the idea for this campaign for another university student.